We are here at AIIMS Trauma Center where the story has just come out that baby Falak, who had in fact been in the hospital from January 18th, has passed away this evening. We have the head of Trauma Center, Dr. Mishra, with us. Dr. Mishra, can you please tell us what was baby Falak's condition today and how did this happen?
Baby Falak was doing well until this morning, but towards evening she started slowing her heart rate down, and we did our best whatever we could, and because of slowing down heart rate she actually went into arrest while she was being closely monitored, but this time we were not lucky to revive her, and she was declared dead at 9:40 p.m.
Doctor, you were hopeful that the baby would make it. In fact, we know that the baby had been out of ICU for the past 2 weeks now.
Yeah, the way her injuries were in the beginning, we always thought that she is too small for those injuries and may not make it, but she came thus far. Now it was 57th day of her admission with us. She went through very stormy phase, ventilatory phase, repeatedly off and on ventilator, and then finally we could wean her off ventilator. All the systems were working fine. Her neurological status as regards her moving the limbs, eye opening, sensing somebody's, when we would go and stand her by the bedside, she would sense her heart rate would go up. So all that gave us a lot of hope, and that is why we were also contemplating discharging her. But unfortunately, we were not lucky enough to discharge.
Had you started the process of thinking who would take care of the baby in case it had you got in touch with the mother? And our thoughts go out to the mother now as well.
That was, we were in touch with CWC, with Delhi government, and we would have done whatever needed to be done for that, and everyone was cooperating in this. Everybody was very keen. A lot of NGOs came forward, a lot of foreigners, we got phone calls from them that they would like to adopt her. So there were multiple channels of offers for help to this kid, provided she had survived, provided she was in a condition to be taken care of, but this did not happen.
So as a doctor also, you've been observing her for the past 2 months. A sense of attachment must have also...
Naturally, when we care for somebody for so long, we kind of, a hospital staff does develop a bonding with that patient, whether it's child, adult, and at the end of the day we want the patient to go home, and that is what we were hoping now, and we were much more hopeful than we were a month ago, and we never expected the turn of events as it did happen.
If I could go across to you also, doctor, you were part of the team which was treating baby Falak. What do you have to say right now? As I said, a sense of disappointment, to speak the least.
Yes, definitely a big disappointment, because we have been treating the baby for the last approximately 2 months, and over a period of last 2 months we have done over a dozen of surgeries and gone through a lot of ups and downs, and in the middle we got a slight ray of hope, in the sense that she was recovering, she was opening eyes spontaneously. Even today in the morning I saw her, she was opening eyes spontaneously. Well, that was a very good sign. And then suddenly this happened in the evening. She developed a slowing of her pulse rate, and respiration became not good. Definitely a big disappointment, because so much of hard work and so much of effort has gone, did not turn out to be fruitful actually.
Did you have spent a lot of time with baby Falak, doctor? What were the signs of improvement that you saw over the past few weeks?
Well, she was off the ventilatory support for the last maybe some 2 weeks, and she has been opening eyes, she has been accepting oral feeds as well. And these were the good signs of improvement that she was showing. So we grew hopeful also in that sense.
Doctor, you must have been present when her mother came to visit her as well. At this moment, our thoughts also go out to her mother, Munni, who has suffered a lot in her own life, and of course we know baby Falak had suffered a lot. Is there anything you would like to say to the mother? You had been the caregiver for the past 2 months in the absence of the mother, in fact, when the police were trying to find out who she was and when they managed to track her down, and even in the hospital care. What would you like to say to Munni, if you can?
Well, she has lost her baby, so what can I say? I mean, she must be passing through a very difficult phase of her life. So, my sincere condolences to her.
Thank you, Doctor. As you can see, the team of doctors over here are also pretty shaken by what has transpired this evening. Baby Palak, they were hoping that they would be seeing a day very soon when Baby Palak would step out of the hospital and would be reunited with her mother, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. Baby Palak passed away in a heart attack this evening. With camera person Shamim in New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.